Affiliate program, the key to successful affiliate marketing. The e-business is very much popular today. This started when the internet was introduced in the world and the way we look at business was never the same. It opened a lot of doors and a lot of Pandora's box as well. I am not going to paint you a rosy picture, there is as much negative as there are positive in the internet. There are many strategies and ways for businesses to flourish in the internet. One is the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way of allowing website to earn an income from their website by displaying the adverts, links to banners of a merchant, or by carrying contextual advertising. Affiliate marketing is a popular method of promoting e-businesses in which an affiliate is rewarded for every visitor, subscriber or customer provided through his efforts. The compensation may be made based on a certain value for each visit or pay-per-click, registrant or pay-per-lead, and commission for each customer or sale or pay-per-sale. In affiliate marketing, an affiliate program is necessary. Affiliate program is a partnership with an online merchant who compensates any sales that is being sent by a merchant via links on the site. Affiliate programs are also arrangements in which an online merchant website pays affiliate websites a commission to send them traffic. These affiliate websites posts links to the merchant site and are paid according to a particular agreement. The agreement is usually based on the number of people the affiliate sends to the merchant site, or the number of people they send who actually buy something or perform some other action. Some arrangements pay according to the number of people who visit the page containing their merchant site's banner advertisement. Basically, it is a link on an affiliate site brings the merchant site traffic or money. The merchant sites pays the affiliate site according to their agreement. Recruiting an affiliate is an excellent way to sell products online, and it is a cheap and effective marketing strategy. It is a good method to get word about the site. There are three parties in an affiliate program transaction: the customer, the affiliate site, and the merchant site. There are many affiliate programs available in the web today. It is very important to make one's affiliate program stand out and catch the attention of professional affiliate marketers. The following are some tips on making affiliate programs stand out from the massive amount of competition that are available. Provide your affiliate partners with creative and promotional materials. Make it an aim to make their job of marketing the products or services as easy as possible. The less work they have to do and the more conversions they see, the more likely they are to promote the products or services. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. This is the quickest way to fail in a business venture. Communicate with the partners by welcoming them to affiliate programs. Send out updates on products additions or changes. Give them tips and advice on how to be successful in marketing products. Always pay them on time and take care of them. Once claimed, the niche market research, find websites that have viewers interested in the niche market. Finds partners that has already built a traffic and would benefit from the affiliate offer. The offer should be a win-win situation for both. Don't rest on your laurels just because there are a few good partners. They may decide to jump ship. Protect one by actively recruiting new partners. Try finding new partners by advertising the affiliate program on the website, listing or advertising in affiliate directories, and by contracting potential affiliates directly. Affiliate programs works best when affiliates choose products, services, and companies that match the content of their website and would interests their readers. If a content website chooses affiliate programs well, everybody involved in the process wins. The affiliate wins because it is able to sell products to its visitors without having to run an e-commerce business. The merchant site wins because it gets a piece of the profit for setting everything up, and the web surfer wins because the affiliate website directs her to products she would be interested in, which she can purchase easily. An affiliate program can be successful if it effectively links commerce and content and takes advantage of the respective strengths of site and its affiliates. All kinds of people might buy different things like books online. Successful affiliate marketing program takes time to build, but with a bit of effort, it has the ability to increase the internet sales noticeably. RAM takes time to build, but with a bit of effort, it has the ability to increase the internet sales noticeably.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.